Hey there. Today, I'll guide you through 3 easy ways to take a screenshot on your Samsung device. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Hardware buttons. Simply press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for a brief moment. You'll hear a shutter sound and see a visual confirmation that the screenshot has been captured. Easy, right? Method 2. Palm swipe. Go to your device's settings and enable the palm swipe gesture. Once activated, simply swipe your hand across the screen horizontally from one side to the other. Your device will capture the screen instantly, and you'll find the screenshot in your gallery. And finally, Method 3. Assistant menu. If you find using hardware buttons or palm swipe gestures challenging, you can turn on the Assistant menu feature. This creates a floating icon on your screen, giving you quick access to various functions, including taking screenshots. And there you have it. 3 simple methods to capture screenshots on your Samsung device. Whether you prefer using hardware buttons, palm swipe gestures, or the Assistant menu, you'll be capturing screenshots like a pro in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!